ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a halo makeup look, and the first color that I'm taking from my Ulta Beauty palette is the color Shimmer Mauve, and I'm just using that as a transition shade because the main colors that I am going to be focusing on are by Essence, and they're their Metal Shock eyeshadows. So I'm just blending that into the crease. Again, transition color. Okay, now going into the fun part. I'm going in with that Metal Shock eyeshadow by Essence in the color Second to Mars, and I'm just placing it on the outer corner of the eye and the inner corner of the eye. You can see that I start to use a brush to blend it out, but in all honesty, you don't need to. I just skipped ahead and used my finger. This stuff is very pigmented, so I don't know, for me, the more the better, but you don't really need that much of it. So again, inner corner, outer corner, and then you pick a lighter color for the middle of the eyelid, hence the halo eye look. Okay, moving on with the color Moon Dust 05 by Essence. I am putting that into the center of my eyelid. I apologize, I'm not in frame. I realize that, and in a couple seconds, I will be in the frame. So you see in the middle of my eyelid. See, there I am in the frame. So just popping that on. And yeah, this is totally optional, but you know me, if you've been following me for a while, I love the glitz and glam, so I went in with the loose glitter by BH Cosmetics in the color Pearl, and I put that on the eyelid, the center of the eyelid, just before the Metal Shock starts to dry. So while it's nice and wet, I patted that on with a brush, and then I just took that Metal Shock silver color again and put on the other eye and repeat the steps. Now after the wet eyeshadow was applied, just to blend everything out, I'm going back in with that Ulta Beauty palette, and I'm taking the color Shimmer Copper Blush and just popping that onto that transition shade that I used earlier. That again, that was the Shimmer Mauve color, just to help blend everything out and not make it look so messy. And I'll be taking a clean, moist towelette later to clean up all the glitter that's fallen over my face. Now taking a white shade in the color Shimmer Ivory, I'm popping that under my brow bone. Going back into that palette, I'm taking the Shimmer Mulberry and Shimmer Plum, mixing the two of them together for a nice deeper color, just because I wanted to deepen up the color a bit. I felt it was too light, kind of blended in too much with the Essence, so I wanted to give a little bit more of a color variation. So I went in with those two colors and again put them on the inner corner and the outer corner and blended it out. Once all that's nice and blended out, I'm taking those Shimmer Mulberry and Shimmer Plum shades again, mixing the two of them together, and I'm popping that under the eyelid, on the under eye, just to complete the whole halo eye look and make everything look uniform before I finish the rest of the face. And to pop in the inner corner, to make it a little bit lighter, I'm going in with the Shimmer Lilac Pink shade just to highlight the under eye. And to stay true to Essence, let's continue on with their Lash Princess Mascara, not only because I love this mascara, but we also use the Metal Shock eyeshadow, so you might as well continue with Essence products. So I'm just putting one coat of the Lash Princess, so the green mascara, and then I go over it with the purple one. Again, there's really no difference between the two of them, it's just the brush. So my second coat is with the purple one, and then I go back in with a third time for the Lash Princess again. If you don't want them super spidery like I like them, you don't need to do more than 2 coats. So make sure you clean up any excess, like I said, before you do the rest of your face, and bam, there you are, face is done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. You're like, who is this girl? It's Amanda, and thank you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this halo eye makeup inspired look, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. I was testing out in this video the Essence Metal Shock eyeshadows, and they are very pigmented, if you can tell. The silver one is especially pigmented. I wanted to just add a little bit of sparkle, so that's why I went in with my BH Cosmetics loose glitter and pop that over. But again, this is my version of a halo eye look and how I did it. So again, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I'm sorry I've been MIA. I will be uploading once or twice a week, depending on my schedule. I've just gone back to work as our season has started up again. So not as much time to record as I would like to, but I promise at least one video a week you will get from me. So thank you guys so much again for tuning in to this video, and see you soon. Bye!